Hey there, fellow travelers. Did you know that the average traveler takes over 300 photos on a week-long vacation? That's a whole lot of selfies with seagulls. And hey, I get it. Vacations are for making memories. And what better way to capture those moments than with a camera? But let's be honest, sometimes those vacation photos don't quite live up to the memories. Blurry sunsets, awkward family poses, and let's not even get started on the dreaded tourist in front of a landmark shots. We've all been there. That's why I'm here to help you turn your cruise vacation into a photographer's dream. We're diving into the wonderful world of cruise photography, where the lighting is tricky, the crowds are real, and the photo ops are endless. Get ready to say cheese and wave to the camera, because we're about to set sail on a journey to create cruise photos that will make you say, "Wow, I look good in that hat." Now, before we even step foot on that magnificent ship, let's talk strategy. Just like you wouldn't go on a cruise without packing your swimsuit or your dancing shoes, you don't want to embark on a photography adventure without the right gear. First things first, charge those batteries. There's nothing worse than missing the perfect shot because your camera decided to take an unexpected nap. And while you're at it, format those memory cards. We want a fresh start for all those amazing photos you're about to take. Speaking of amazing photos, let's talk about your camera. Whether you're a seasoned pro with a fancy DSLR or a smartphone enthusiast, the key is to know your equipment. Familiarize yourself with the settings, practice different angles, and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. So grab your gear, pack your sense of adventure, and get ready to capture some unforgettable memories. Okay, picture this. You're on the top deck, the sun is setting, the ocean is sparkling, and wait, is that a rogue beach ball blocking your shot? Ah, the joys of cruise ship photography. Let's face it, cruises can be a photographer's obstacle course. From crowded decks and ever-changing light to unexpected gusts of wind, and let's not forget those seagulls who love photobombing. There's always a challenge waiting around the corner. But fear not, my friends. With a little planning and a lot of laughter, we can overcome these obstacles and capture some truly amazing shots. So grab your camera, put on your captain's hat, and let's navigate these choppy waters together. Our golden hour, that magical time of day when the sun casts a warm glow on everything it touches, turning even the most ordinary scenes into something extraordinary. And on a cruise ship, surrounded by the vast expanse of the ocean, golden hour is simply breathtaking. This is the time to grab your camera and head to the open deck. The soft, diffused light will make your photos glow, and the warm hues will create a sense of tranquility and wonder. Experiment with different angles and compositions. Capture the sun's rays reflecting off the water, silhouette your loved ones against the horizon, or simply soak in the beauty of the moment and let your camera do the talking. Remember, timing is everything when it comes to golden hour. Check the sunset time for your location and plan accordingly. And don't be afraid to get creative. Some of the most stunning photos are taken during the moments just before and after the sun dips below the horizon. Finding your sea legs, composition tips for steady shots. Alright, let's talk about composition, because let's be honest, a crooked horizon can really rock the boat when it comes to cruise photos. And nobody wants to see a photo of their Aunt Mildred looking like she's about to walk the plank. First things first, find your sea legs. Cruises can be a bit wobbly, so make sure you have a stable base before you start snapping away. Lean against a railing, use a tripod, or channel your inner yogi and strike a tree pose, whatever it takes to keep those photos steady. Next, pay attention to the rule of thirds. Imagine your photo divided into 9 equal sections by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Placing your subject off center along these lines or at their intersections can create a more balanced and visually appealing composition. And don't be afraid to experiment with different angles. Get low, climb high, or try shooting from a unique perspective. Sometimes the most unexpected angles can create the most striking images. Candid camera, catching those spontaneous smiles. Now, let's talk about those candid moments, the ones that make you laugh, the ones that melt your heart, the ones that truly capture the joy and spontaneity of your cruise vacation. Candid shots are all about capturing those genuine emotions and unscripted moments. So put away the selfie stick, ditch the forced poses, and let the good times roll. Keep your camera close at hand and be ready to snap a photo at a moment's notice. Capture your kids splashing in the pool, your partner laughing at your terrible jokes, or your grandma rocking out at the karaoke bar. The key to great candid shots is to be unobtrusive. Blend into the background, anticipate the moment, and let the magic unfold naturally. And don't be afraid to get a little silly. Some of the best candid shots are the ones that capture the unexpected and the downright hilarious. Remember, the best photos are the ones that tell a story. So go out there, capture those candid moments, and let your photos tell the tale of your unforgettable cruise adventure. From ship to shore, picture-perfect excursions. Ahoy there, adventurers! It's time to disembark and explore the exciting destinations on your cruise itinerary. From tropical beaches and ancient ruins to bustling cities and charming villages, there's a world of photo opportunities waiting to be discovered. Timing is everything when capturing picture-perfect moments. Avoid the midday sun as harsh light creates unflattering shadows. Opt for early morning or late afternoon when the light is softer and more forgiving. Ask your tour guide for the best photo spots. Look for interesting angles and perspectives. Capture the grandeur of your surroundings. Include locals for authenticity. Editing magic, polishing your cruise memories. Congratulations, my friend. You've officially returned from your cruise with a camera roll bursting with memories. Now it's time to work a little editing magic and turn those snapshots into frame-worthy masterpieces. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to enhance your photos. Tons of user-friendly apps can help you brighten images, adjust colors, and crop out distractions. Play with contrast and saturation to make your photos pop and bring out vibrant colors. And don't be afraid to get creative with filters. Once edited, share your photos with the world. Relive those unforgettable cruise memories with loved ones. With a sprinkle of editing magic, capture cruise photos that will make you smile for years to come. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel and cruise tips. Happy snapping! And hit that like button and notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.